back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique, and in today's video I'm going to show you some DIY wall art that I made for my bathroom. You guys bear with me. I actually was really productive last weekend. I did like 3 videos in one day. Tell me why I accidentally deleted this video, so now I'm having to redo it. And the 3rd video that I shot was trash because I didn't really find anything on my home goods shop with me. So I'm back at square one. So I'm trying to get some content for you guys. But yeah, I did want to show you how I DIY the wall art for my bathroom. As you know, I am still working on getting my bathroom together. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've been lazy. I've been putting things off. I've been distracted. You know, I got the puppy. I'm also having a lot of different projects done throughout the house. That's about to start soon, and I am going to kind of take you on that journey with me. It's nothing really big, but I'm hoping that the small changes make a huge difference in the house. Yeah, because as you know, I was thinking about redoing my family room, and at first I was just going to redecorate it, but this quarantine has me so irritated. It's like everything I look at, I'm like, ugh, I hate it. I will do a walkthrough and kind of show you my family room, kitchen area, whatever, so you can know what's going on in the house. So that'll come soon. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. This video is about the wall art that I'm making for my bathroom, and it's really simple. I just got these cheap frames from IKEA. You saw when I went to IKEA. I think this frame was $4.99. I honestly don't remember what size this frame is, and these larger frames were $9.99, and those are 16 by 20s. So I remember that, but for some reason I don't remember this. So anyways, it's really simple, and I'm sure you've probably done something like this similar in your home. But if you have not seen the video where I DIY the wallpaper on my bathroom wall, then you may want to go look at that video, and then it'll make sense why I'm doing this. All I'm doing, and all I did, was take some of the leftover wallpaper that I applied in the bathroom, and I'm using this to make wall art. So simple as that. It's not hard, tricky, or anything like that. But I think this is a great way to get some very affordable wall art that's very custom and specific to whatever room you're decorating. So in my case, I'm using this leftover wallpaper, but something that I thought about in the deleted video is that you can also use leftover fabric. My sister came a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago, and she made me a couple pillows, and I had some leftover fabric. I could also, if I wanted to, you know, use this fabric and make some wall art. But this is for my bathroom, and I really have like that really dark wall, so I'm trying to bring some of that dark over to the other side just to make it balanced. All you would do is take either your leftover fabric or your leftover wallpaper or whatever you have laying around that you want to put inside the frame. Just cut it to size and put it inside the frame, and there you go. You have some custom wall art that will fit and match any space that you put it in. If you want to, you can put like a a faux flower here or some feathers or something like that, but right now I'm just going to keep mine like that. I really love how the texture looks from the wallpaper. I think that looks really nice. So, and $5 for some wall art. So yeah, so that's always an idea. Just get you a affordable frame and put in some fabric, put in, you know, some printables that you printed offline, wallpaper, whatever, and there you go, you got wall art. Now, the other pieces of wall art that I have are these two line art framed work. I hope you can see that. Yeah, and with this I'm hoping that I can figure out how to like give you step by step how I did this. But again, I have my $9.99 IKEA frames, and these are 16 by 20, and you could just buy some line art. You know, this is very popular nowadays, so you can find this anywhere, or you can find a printable image on Etsy's website. You can get 2 printable images for $10, $15, something like that, and just get them printed out. Or you can do what I did, which is I first went to Google and I, you know, looked up line art, woman's body on a Google search, and I found some images that I liked. I screenshot those, and I actually used my daughter's iPad, and I used a program or an app called, I don't know if it's called Procreate, or basically trace over the screenshot image that I got from Google, and I kind of edited it to look the way I wanted. Like I wanted my girl to be, you know, a little bit more thicker, so I tried to make her legs and stuff a little bit thicker. I wanted her hair to be bigger, so yeah, that's what I did. I kind of you know, changed it to look the way I wanted to look, but I used the main body image to trace out. And you do this by layering the art. So I put the screenshot first, and then I added another layer, and I traced over the screenshot, and then I did another layer where I just added some abstract art underneath. And you could choose not to do this or to do this. I thought this would be a great way to bring in the color schemes from my bathroom, which is beige, black, gray, and like a cream color. So that's the reason why I did this, but you can opt not to do this, or you can decide to do this and add the colors of your space, and you can choose to make your background art more defined, or you can do it messy the way I did it. It just depends. You can just do whatever you want to do, but that's basically how I created these images. And these images are actually, what are these? I think they're 12 by 18s, and I got these printed off of printed from Walgreens. And Walgreens at the time actually had a 50% off sale, so each of the prints were $7. So it basically was less than $20 to create this 16 by 20 custom personalized wall art. So I think that's pretty good. I don't know about you, maybe you think that's too much work for some wall art, but I like it. So yeah, and these are gonna hang in my bathroom, and I don't know why, I just felt like nudity was appropriate for a bathroom. Trying to make her look thick, the thick thighs save lives. So yeah, and that's basically what I did. I'm gonna hang those up in my bathroom, and I'm also going to finish decorating that bathroom, you guys. I'm lazy, you know. I ain't gonna lie to you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you plan on doing some DIY framed wall art like this. Yeah, until next time, peace out.